Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Patty and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Now for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching for you guys the Pixi Reflection Palettes. So before we get started with the palettes, I wanted to show you guys what the PR package looks like. If I haven't said this before, Pixi always has amazing PR packaging. It came with a little case that has 3 brushes inside, and it came with the E01, 02, and 03. Now I've never used Pixi brushes before, so I'm excited to try these out. Alright guys, these reflection palettes from Pixi are my absolute favorite. I love these colors. If there's any palette that I love more at the moment, it's these. I definitely think you can get many looks out of the 2 palettes, which is worth it for me. I like when palettes have various of colors that you can take, like when you're traveling and you don't have to take 50 eyeshadow palettes. You can do quite a few looks from just one palette. Guys, these colors are amazing. They're highly pigmented. I used it for today's look and I'll show you guys a few clips of me doing that look just so you can see how it looks going on. They're very pigmented. I love all the colors on here. They're pinks, they're golds. I mean, I feel like I can use these 2 eyeshadow palettes for pretty much anything. They retail for about $24. It's on the high end of the drugstore, but it's definitely not high end if you ask me. I feel like it's definitely worth it. These colors are just amazing to me. I feel like you can get so many looks out of the 2 palettes, so I definitely think that the price is worth it. Alright, that's enough chit-chatting about them. Let me go ahead and do some swatches for you guys so you guys can see these colors. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. And you can also follow me on social media, Patty's_closet. And you can also follow my blog, pattyscloset.com, where I share more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. See you in my next video.